Introducing the Kingma magnetic phone vlog screen, VL-PH02 Max. Snap it on magnetically, mirror your phone's display, and use your rear camera for ultra-clear selfies, vlogs, and live streams. It's got a Bluetooth remote with 33-foot range, Type-C charging, and even 4K 30 frames per second support on select models. Small, smart, and powerful. Your perfect pocket studio is finally here. Meet the cutest charger ever, the electric baby Pixel 35-watt GaN Charger. Tiny, powerful, and cool like a mini electronic pet. Its diving helmet design, foldable plug, and GaN fast charge tech keep it fast and cool. Connect Bluetooth, swap pixel animations, even use it as a desktop clock. Cute, smart, and super fun. Who wouldn't want one? Meet the transparent mechanical word learning device, part gadget, part game. Its clear design looks futuristic, with a motivational startup screen and smooth Bluetooth sync. Learn smarter with real voice pronunciation, e-ink eye protection, and immersive study modes. Who said learning words can't look this cool?